The Focke-Wulf Fw is an aircraft that became a legend of World War II. It was an incredibly versatile fighter that fulfilled various roles during the colossal conflict. The Fw was designed as a counterproposal to the famous British supermarine Spitfire. German engineers at Focke-Wulf aimed to create a fighter that was better suited for operations in challenging wartime conditions while also offering excellent visibility from the cockpit and easy handling. Its design was based on the BMW 139 engine, which had issues with overheating. However, after modifications and the installations of an engine cooling fan, the aircraft finally took to the skies in January 1940. The Fw was equipped with an excellent control system, allowing it to maneuver effectively in combat. Its roll rate was impressive, enabling pilots to make rapid changes in flight directions that were difficult for adversaries to follow. A crucial part of the Fw-190's design was its wide-set landing gear, which allowed for operations from field airfields. Significant landing gear strength reserves were also built into the handling the increased aircraft weight. This aircraft was armed with two 7.9mm MG-17 machine guns and two 13mm 131 machine guns, providing it with substantial firepower. Despite initial problems and modifications, the Fw-190 proved to be a success. Eventually, the BMW 139 engine was replaced with the improved BMW 801 power plant. The Fw-190 became one of the most important German fighters during the war, serving effectively in various roles, including frontline fighter, bomber, battlefield support aircraft, and many others.